So, hi, in this session, we are going to discuss about how to deploy your process into your control room. So, when we are development is done, then we need to deploy our bot into your control room. If you observe this, here we have a studio. Studio, we are going to develop a process and objects. And when we are coming to the control room, in control room, so we are going to deploy. So this is the resource. So here we have three main things. One is available process and available resources and environment. Available process, if you observe, we don't have anything here. And available resource, this is nothing but a server. In real time, when you are working with any organization, you can able to see so more than one server here, like development, testing, and then so production kind of thing. And when we deploy anything into the server, then we can able to see that in a environment. Now, if you observe, we don't have any processes here. If you want to move any process into your control room, first step what we need to do is we need to publish your process. So all your published processed only we can able to move to the control room. The process which is not published, we cannot able to see that in control room. Let's see how to publish the process. Let's open and double click. Here we have a option called publish this process to control room. Just click on that and then click OK and then save. Okay. So previously when we observe, so we don't have any process in available in control room. Now let's observe this. See this, we have the process. The process which we have published. This process is available now here in your control room. Now, if you want to move this process to your server, what we need to do is just hold this process, just drag and drop onto the server. That's it. Observe this. We have drag and drop onto the server. And this is when we move the process to here, then you can able to see that process here in your environment. See this calculation is available. And then so this one, the status is by default, it will be in pending state. By default, it is in pending state. If you want to run this process, generally, when you are running the process in Studio, you can able to see the status. Let's say, see this, we are running, you can able to see where it is running, which stage it is running. But when we are running that in control room, we cannot able to see that it will run in the backend in servers. Now observe this, come to here, click on the process, right click, start. See this, completed. So we are not able to see so where it is running. It will run in the backend. And once it is completed, you can able to see that logs, log file in view log option. See this, each and every step by step option, what it happened in the backend when it is running in the process, it will show you. Completed, first when the process is moved, then it is pending. When the process is completed, then it is completed. If you have any issues, then it will show you as a terminated. So like this, we can able to publish. So the processes which we want to move to the control room, then we can move it to the available process. Once it is moved to the available process, once it is available, here from available process, you are going to move it to your resources in the right hand side. Once you move into resources, then you can able to see that here. Now, one more thing. Once it is completed, you can able to run this process one more time. Let's observe this, see this. We don't have any other option to run. Just click on this. Here, we have an option to start. See this? What is the error? Cannot start calculation because it has been completed. It's completed, so we cannot able to run. If you want to run the process again here, again we need to move from available process to resources, then you can able to see it here. See this, again the status is pending. Now if you start, then it will run in the backend, right? Like this. If you want to publish your process, so this is the option. So in the control room. So main things: available process, resources, and environment. Now, let's say our requirement is we need to run this particular process on everyday basis. Every day we need to run. Then, so every day we need to move it to the available process to resources. Then we have to click on the run environment. It is not possible, right? For that we have a scheduled option. Every day, any specific period of time we can run. Those things we will see in next session.